And tell me, my dear friend, how is it to be a construction rigger? Rain, snow, and shine, chasing hooks and chains. But without our work and without what we do, nothing moves. When a crane operator and a rigger work in a perfect unison, the rigger makes the crane operator look good. That is why the crane operators usually choose their riggers to make things safer, easier, and more productive. If you wonder what the day of a rigger looks like, let me tell you, it is busy. It starts with the rigger's logbook checklist to see if all the equipment is in good order, nothing is missing or broken. That includes a main crane, hook block, sheaves, hook itself, chain hooks and attachments, garbage boxes and concrete buckets, thrust out platforms and outriggers, access egress to and from buildings. As soon as the crane operator in the position in their cab, the rigger will go and hook up the testing blocks to test the maximum lifting limit of the crane. Then rigger will find out from the management about daily deliveries and priorities. A rigger must be ready with their specialized equipment, a tool pouch with tools, full protection gear, and taglines. A perfect look ahead is a key for a successful and stress-free day. Most times, or at least what I observed in the last 2 decades working in construction, the concrete forming company will provide the crane, an operator, and a rigger. Distributing riggers' time for lifts is very essential. And knowing that most of the time, concrete forming will be flown, placed, and installed for the next concrete pour, it leaves specific and prior prearranged times for other trades lifts on a tight schedule. This is where the rigger shows their talent of knowing the site, easy access and egress, their communication style with the other trades, and the hoist operator to take the trips up or down. This rigger knows the most convenient areas for transfers if multiple cranes are being used on site. I would say the riggers know the construction layout better than anyone on site. A lot of praises for great riggers, yes. However, there's many hazardous situations I had to deal with back in the days when I was rigging. For example, moving fast, accidentally getting caught on rebar, slip trip hazards, ladder hazards, simply cuts and bruises, ankle twists from uneven grounds, neck pains from constantly looking up, and being outside in all kinds of weather. It would be very hard to predict things on the very fast-paced site to prevent hazards. But the rigger's knowledge and experience of their work, the site, and complete awareness of their movement will protect them from harm. I'm always impressed about many riggers that I came across in my construction career. They made things look too easy. And because of their mentorship, there are so many trained and experienced riggers out there. I just want to say thank you. Chasing chains and hooks is like chasing good life. And if you feel you would want to try a career of a construction rigger and stay fit, agile, and well paid, please connect with us and we will help to guide you. Pick up that phone and dial, because you know our team will take care of all your labor needs.